Hello everyone, I'm in Discord right now. Discord is a community platform where developers and gamers connect and collaborate. Here, you can see RouteStack AI. I've created a RouteStack AI bot that can help me book a car, hotel, or flight using a single command. Here you can see the car checkout is ready. I was booking this Volkswagen Jetta, and here you can see the price is $233 and pickup will be from the London airport. Here is the checkout URL. If I open this, it will land on the RouteStack portal where I can complete this booking and enter the payment details as well. This was our car. I can add driver details here and all the booking details, and I can just continue with this price. How do I build it? I built it using RouteStack.ai. Here, RouteStack AI acts as an MCP native service. It provides the travel infrastructure that enables developers to build AI-powered travel applications and agents using tools for hotel, car, and flight bookings. First, we can sign up for a free sandbox account here. Just fill out the form to get started. Building something is super easy. You get more than 10 starter kits on the RouteStack GitHub, which helps us connect our AI agents, apps, or business to travel inventory. So here you can see in the TypeScript, we have multiple options or multiple starter kits, examples and ideas we can start. So here is the Discord bot I have used to create my one application, or the Discord bot. How can we create it? Let's clone this repo first. I'm just creating one directory here. I'll just go to that directory and do the git clone. Okay, we have successfully cloned the repo. It's a public repo, so everyone can access it. Let me open it in the cursor editor. Cursor is an ID or editor, which will help us to understand the whole project. And as well, we can do the changes and optimizations according to our needs. Okay, so we've opened the project in Cursor. Right now, we have all the starter kits here. So let's start with the Discord bot. Let me open the terminal. I'll open the git bash terminal here. Let's start with the README file. So it has all the instructions to set up how we can set up the whole Discord bot and use it. Currently, it gives us these commands. We can book hotels, flights, and cars, as well as get booking info or cancel the booking using the Discord in one command. What are the prerequisites? We have all of these: Node.js 20+ version and RouteStack API credentials. I have signed up on RouteStack.ai. You can do as well to get the credentials and the Discord application and bot token. So we'll generate this in a few minutes. To start with, we have to do the npm install first. Let me just go to the Discord bot directory. We have successfully installed all the dependencies required. Before we start to run the application, let us try to understand what this Discord bot is made from or how it is implemented. So I am just giving command to the cursor. Explain me how this Discord bot is implemented using RouteStack.ai MCP server. So the cursor will read the whole Discord bot project, and it will help us to understand how it is implemented. It will tell us how the architecture is of this project and how we can modify it. We got a response from Cursor. Here is the architecture it gave us, and it also gave us the diagram as well. So any Discord user can use this Discord bot, and it will have the / commands we can use to search for hotels, flights, and cars. So from the MCP server, we will get the data. It is calling the tools to get the results. It has multiple tools like search hotels, flights, cars, or book the hotels. And we are using the LLM to summarize or to get the context of what user is saying. But it is optional, and the short link directs server. So it will help us to shorten the link of the checkout, so it will not be long link. How are the layers in this project? MCP transport, the starting point of the Discord bot, is index.ts here, and it has the commands. This is the MCP client where we are connecting to the server. The whole travel logic is set up in this travel service .ts, and here we can use the session to store the data of the current session. So it is explaining how this MCP server is connected. Then, what we need to do, I authenticate the MCP endpoint, API key, partner token. We have to generate a partner token, and what we required is the API key, timestamp, and the nonce. It means any unique ID which we required to build the partner token, and we have to encode it in the SHA 256 HMAC, and we'll use this API to get the partner token and use the RouteStack MCP server. So these are the tools. Here, we'll get the list of all the tools and call any tool we want. Then, here is the travel flow via the MCP tools. In a single command, it searches for hotels, cars, and flights. We'll see the demo after we build this. Let me just collapse this a little. Before we start, we have to set up Discord. For that, we have to go to the Discord developer portal. Let me just open this link in the browser. I already have an existing app, but we'll create a new one so we can understand how it's set up. I'm giving it the name RouteStack.ai. This is the human verification. We've created an app on the Discord developer portal. Now, what do we need? Let's add an app icon first. I'll use this so we'll know the difference between the existing app and the new one. This is the application ID, and we'll need it later. If I go back to the project and show you the env file, you'll see the env variables we need to provide. We already have the MCP server endpoint, which contains the travel backend. We need the RouteStack API key and secret key to generate a partner token and connect to the MCP server. For Discord, we need the bot token and the client ID, which is the application ID we just saw. These are optional variables, by the way. The Discord guild ID and the auto deploy option, which is set to false right now. We also have the public base URL, which is used to shorten the checkout links. If you want, you can also configure an LLM here, but that's optional. Let's create a copy of this file first. I'll rename it to .env so the project can recognize it. This is our env credentials file. First, let's get the RouteStack API key and secret key from the RouteStack dashboard. After you sign in successfully, you'll see a dashboard like this. You can copy the API key from the API credentials page. I'm pasting the API key here. Now let's copy the API secret. Great, we now have the RouteStack credentials. Next, we need the bot token and the application ID. We already have the application ID, which is the Discord client ID, so I'll paste that here. For the bot token, we need to go to the bot page. Before that, let's save these changes. We've successfully saved the changes. Now, on the bot page, you can see the token. Since we've just created this new app, we need to generate a bot token first. It's asking me to confirm. Okay, we got the token, let's copy it and paste it here. Now, we have almost everything we need, we just have to provide one more thing. I'm adding the public base URL from .env file here. This will be used to shorten the checkout links. We're done with the credentials. Now, let's go back to the readme file. So, here we have the steps to create a bot and get the bot token and client ID. Next, we need to invite the bot using the application command scope. For that, we have to go to the installation page, where the required scopes are already selected. Now, to invite the bot, we just need to copy this link and paste it into the browser. If you want to share it with someone else, you can simply send them this link so they can use the app as well. I'm clicking Add to my apps and then Authorize. This gives the app permission to be added to my Discord account. Okay, we've successfully installed the app. Here you can see the app has been added. Now we'll run the pnpm run deploy command. This will register all the commands for our app. Okay, we got the message saying 5 Discord commands were registered globally. Now let's start the application. Now we're using our RouteStack Discord bot. Let's try searching for a car, just like we did earlier. It's asking for the pickup location. So I'll enter London. I'll use the same location for the drop-off. Let's say I'll pick up the car on July 12th and return it on July 14th. Next, it's asking for the driver's age, so let's enter that. Now, it's connecting to the RouteStack MCP server and fetching the data based on our request. Remember, we only entered a single command, and it's handling the entire search for us. Let's wait for the results. Okay, we got several car options here. We have a standard Volkswagen, then a Ford Escape, and a few other options. Let's choose this midsize SUV Ford Escape. Now we've selected the car, and it's generating the checkout URL for us. We've selected the midsize SUV, Ford Escape, or similar. The price is $288, and this is a pay later option. We'll pick it up from London Airport. Now, I'm opening the checkout link. Great, we got the checkout page. The total price, including taxes, is $296. This is the midsize SUV we selected. We can now enter the primary driver details, complete the booking information, and book the car. So we're done with the car. Let's try booking a hotel as well, so we can see how this works. I'm entering the hotels command. It's asking for the city. So we're traveling to London. Our check-in date and checkout date will be July 10th. It's asking for the number of adults, so I'll enter 2 adults and 1 room. Let's search with these details. We got all the destination options. I'm selecting London. Here are the hotel options. We have Treehouse Hotel London, Pub Love, and a few others. Let's book this one. You can see it has already stored the session data. Now we have the available room options. We've selected this hotel, and these are the rooms available. Here you can see a private 6-bedroom room, which is non-refundable. Let's choose the refundable room instead. Okay. The hotel checkout is ready. We got the checkout link here. We selected the refundable private 6-bedroom room, and the price is $411. Let's open the checkout page. Here are all the booking details. This is the hotel we selected. We're booking for 2 adults, and this is the room we'll be checking into. All the details look correct, and the pricing matches as well. Now, we can fill in the guest details and complete the booking. So that's how you can build a travel booking bot using the RouteStack Discord starter. If I go back to the RouteStack homepage, you'll see there's also a commission opportunity. For every booking made through your RouteStack account, you'll earn a commission. This makes it a great opportunity for developers to build travel applications and monetize them through bookings. Thank you.